Most people judge whether their face is properly clean by how tight it feels afterwards. The tighter it feels, the better the job. That's the assumption. That tightness isn't clean, that's overwashed. The step that comes after you take your makeup off, why cleansing can't be skipped, who this foam cleanser is for, and how to use it properly. Two different jobs. Makeup removal handles makeup, sunscreen, and the pollutants that settle on your skin during the day. Most of that isn't water-friendly, and water alone won't shift it. Cleansing handles the other half. A day's worth of sweat and excess oil, dead cells on the surface, and whatever the makeup remover left behind. Neither step replaces the other. So, step 1 of your routine is really 2 actions. Remove, then cleanse. At night, you do both. In the morning, there's no makeup to take off, but you still cleanse because overnight the skin keeps producing oil. Today's product is the Celavive Creamy Foam Cleanser. Its positioning is clear: a deep cleaning, exfoliating, and hydrating facial cleanser. It suits normal, combination, and oily skin and is used twice daily, morning and night. The product contains no artificial colors, no mineral oil, and no parabens, and as of 2025, the packaging is recyclable and carry-on sized. Why can it clean deeply and hydrate at the same time? Because it contains squalane and the Olivol24 blend. It cleans deeply without disrupting the skin's moisture barrier. This solves an old problem with cleansing. Clean enough, and it strips. Gentle enough, and it doesn't clean. Many people swap products back and forth. The Creamy Foam Cleanser deep cleans without disrupting the skin's essential moisture barrier. Olivol24 isn't a single ingredient. It's 4 fruit extracts. Usana's own olive extract, plus watermelon, apple, and lentil. These extracts have been clinically shown to rehydrate for up to 24 hours after one application. The hydration works like this: citrulline from watermelon rind, sodium lactate and sodium PCA from apple, and vitamin B5 from lentil, which helps hold moisture in. For the gentle exfoliation, it's lauric acid that lifts away dead surface cells. There are 4 steps. First, wet your face with water. Second, take a pea-sized amount onto your fingers and work it into a lather. Third, apply to your face and neck in circular motions, focusing on the forehead, nose, and chin, your T-zone. Fourth, rinse with warm water, then carry on with the rest of your routine. One detail many people get wrong: don't put unlathered cleanser straight onto your face. The foam is what's meant to touch your skin. Use warm water, not hot. There are 3 common mistakes. First, chasing that squeaky clean feeling, that's overwashing. Second, skipping the morning cleanse and going straight to serum. Third, cleansing and then stopping there. Cleansing is what prepares the skin for the steps that follow. So for this step, the test isn't how clean your face gets. It's what state the skin is in when it reaches the next stage of your routine. Want to see member pricing against retail? Leave your email and I'll send you the full Usana price list. To order directly, the link is below. And if you haven't seen part 1, which makeup remover to choose, that one's linked as well.